Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IG Home. So in this tutorial video I will explain you how to import the Excel data to the AutoCAD and also how to create the manually table. So let's get started. So in the top of you can see the table, or else you can give the shortcut command for table is same TABLE and press enter. So now this insert title will open. So here you can see there are two options to insert. That one is the start from empty table and second one is the from a data link. So when you talk about the start from the empty table, it means you can define the number of column and number of row spacing, and for column spacing and row spacing. Okay, and you can adjust the cell, like first one is title, second one is header, third one is data. You can change. If you don't want, you can make its changes. Okay, so now I will keep by default only. Okay, next press OK. So you can see the table is created manually. You can write anything like schedule of openings, and use tab to go to the next, like or else use enter to go to the down. Okay, or else you can use the arrow marks. You can go up, down, left, right. Okay, after uh, after giving the text, if you want to change the size of the text or height of the text or color of the text, you can double click on the select the text, and here you can change the sizes and colors. Okay, so this is all about the manually inserting the creating the tables. Next, when second one is when you talk about the how to import the Excel data into AutoCAD. So for that you have to go to the table, click on the from a data link, click on this icon, that is launch the data. Then you have to create one Excel data link. Okay, click on that create Excel data link, give the name anything. So I will give name as A, click on OK. So you have to select the path. So click on three dot, select the file, Excel file, which you want to import. So suppose I want to import this deflection calculation. So click, select this file and open this one. So now it's the select Excel sheet 1 is linked into the uh, this AutoCAD. Okay, next press OK. Now you can see it's created. Now Excel data link, press OK. You can see here in the preview, see in the preview you can see how it's look actually. If it is a small file you can see, if it is big file you can't see in the preview. Okay, so press OK. Next, where you want you can place this table. So I want here, insert here, so click OK. Now you can see all the data is imported now. So if you want to change, make any changes here after importing this data, if you want to make changes, so that one also you can do. How means, select the table. For example, I want to make this heading as all are in the caps. So before that you have to do unlock this one, because it's all you can see in the crosshair, this lock symbol is showing. Okay, so what you have to do, just double click on it. Okay, so this yellow mark will open. Then you have to unlock this one. Here you can see cell locking, drop down, and there's an unlock option. Click on unlock. Now it's unlocked. You can make changes. So select the text and you can make as a uppercase, and you can increase the size also. and you can change the color also. Okay, anything you can make changes as per your convenient. You can make this data changes also, but before that you have to unlock this one only. That's it. Unlock this one and make any changes. Okay, so this is how we can import the Excel data into AutoCAD. That's it guys. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.